Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your compliance when using Microsoft Copilot for content, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what Microsoft Copilot is and its intended use for content generation. Access your Microsoft account and navigate to the Copilot application. Familiarize yourself with the applicable compliance regulations relevant to your industry. Review Microsoft's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy for Copilot. Identify specific compliance requirements related to data usage and content generation in your organization. Create a compliance checklist tailored to your needs. Begin a project in Microsoft Copilot to understand its features and functions. Generate content using Copilot while documenting each step. Ensure you track the sources of any data used in content generation. Conduct a review of the generated content against your compliance checklist. Check that no proprietary or sensitive information was unintentionally included in the output. Evaluate the originality of the generated content to avoid plagiarism. Use Microsoft's built-in tools to flag any compliance issues you identify. Consult with your organization's legal or compliance team for validation. Make necessary adjustments to the generated content based on feedback. Once verified, document the compliance verification process for future reference. Keep abreast of updates from Microsoft regarding changes in Copilot's capabilities or compliance measures. Revisit your compliance checklist regularly to ensure continued adherence. Establish a feedback loop to improve your compliance process over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.